Hey guys, it's Novella from Naturally Crowned. So in last week's video I showed you how to achieve my daughter's signature chunky braid out. Well, if you've wondered how to preserve your braid outs for more than a day, then you definitely want to keep watching. I'll be showing you my daughter's braid out nighttime routine. This routine helps me to maintain her braid out style for a whole week. So I'm now going to braid my daughter's hair in 8 chunky braids, just like I did in my chunky braid out routine video. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can watch that after you've watched this. I'm going to link it in the top right hand corner of this video. But I braid it in 8 chunky braids just to preserve the definition and keep her hair stretched. So again, as I'm braiding, I never braid to the ends of her hair. Once I get near the ends, I'll just twirl it round. This helps to preserve the definition, and it also makes the process easier when I'm unraveling the braids, just to avoid any kind of tangling or knotting. Guys, how do you preserve your toddler's braid out at night? Comment below and let me know. I'm interested to know. Guys, if you've noticed, I haven't actually re-moisturized my daughter's hair in this video, and that's because when I was prepping her hair for the braid out, I thoroughly moisturized her hair, so her hair is very moisturized still, so I don't need to re-moisturize it again. However, if it gets dry, which is usually on the 3rd or the 4th day, I'll mist it lightly with water and then add a little bit of a moisturizer. You don't want to get the hair soaked when you're spraying the hair with water or apply too much products, because this will cause the hair to shrink and also you will lose definition. So I'm finished. I've done 8 chunky braids. I'm gonna put her satin bonnet on her head, and then this is how she's gonna sleep. So I'll repeat the same process every evening. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share this video with anyone you feel may benefit from it. Take care. Bye.